Ms. Vargas, you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. On February 21st, 2025, at around midnight, officers in Harris County, Texas were patrolling Greens Point Drive when they observed a truck with expired registration from December of 2024. A traffic stop was conducted. Upon approach, the officer detected a strong odor of marijuana from the vehicle after the defendant was removed from the front passenger seat.
All right, pause. This is where everything starts going downhill for her. The expired registration alone was a ticket, but the odor of marijuana plus a gun in the purse. That's probably 'cause gold for the officers. And legally, having a loaded firearm mixed with drugs instantly raises the stakes. Quick question for the viewers.
And detained. A search revealed a marijuana cigar and a pistol magazine under the driver's seat. The officers located a black Taurus pistol with a loaded magazine and a purse behind the driver's seat. After being Mirandized, the defendant claimed that the pistol belonged to her friend's boyfriend and admitted that the purse was hers. Additional marijuana was found in a yellow backwoods container in the center console.
Was the gun found in her purse, near the purse? Because...
Yes, the pistol was found inside her purse behind the driver's seat.
Okay. Ms. Mendoza, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. How old are you, ma'am?
18.
I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to test you. If I find that you're using, it's not going to go well. Do you understand? I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to be in possession of weapons. If I find that you have a weapon, likewise, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds, ma'am.
Judge, could I get the calls number one more time?
255 2544.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am? Do you work? What do you do? Did you graduate from high school? Okay, we're going to work on that as well. I will give you a lawyer today, okay? I need you to fill out an application, so Deputy Miranda is going to give you an application. I need you to fill it out for me. I'll have you talk to a lawyer here momentarily, but all I want are my streets to be safe. If I find that you pick up a new case...
Hold on, an 18-year-old already sitting on multiple cases since January. The judge's tone just flipped from routine to "I'm done with this." And notice how the prosecutor emphasizes the weed plus the handgun. In Texas, being under 21 already restricts carrying, but combining it with marijuana possession turns it into a clean-cut criminal activity enhancement. Audience check.
If I find that you're a danger, you break these conditions, it's really not going to go well for you. Do you understand? This is the only warning that you're going to get.
An 18-year-old with weed and a loaded pistol. This case is heating up fast.
This morning. It's not on your document.
I don't have it on my...
I don't understand how we have now another case. So since January, we're now working our fourth case.
4-6.
Yes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. Speak up loud enough for this man to hear you.
Sir, you now stand charged with another unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On February 21st, 2025, at 12:23 a.m., officers in Harris County, Texas were patrolling 400 Greens Point Drive when they observed a vehicle with expired registration from December of 2024. A traffic stop was conducted. Upon approach, the officers detected a strong odor of marijuana from the vehicle. After the defendant was removed and detained, a search revealed a marijuana cigar and a pistol magazine under the driver's seat. When questioned about a firearm, The defendant claims no knowledge of its location. Additional marijuana, 14.85 grams, was found in a yellow backwoods container in the center console. Continuing the search, officers located a black Smith & Wesson pistol unholstered underneath the back middle seat with a loaded magazine, but no round in the chamber. After consulting with the DA's office, charges were accepted as the defendant was under 21 years of age.
But the only reason, being under 21? Or was it coupled with something else, other criminality? I mean, if it's just under 21, I'm gonna have a problem with it, but if you tell me that there's weed in the car, then that's a separate issue.
Yes, Judge, it is the marijuana, and that's what the information states.
Let's see.
One for sure.
Right, okay, so it says here,
Here's the real heat for cases, curfew violations, and now drug testing plus an ankle monitor. This judge isn't giving warnings anymore. He's giving final notices. And when a judge mentions revoking bond multiple times, that's basically courtroom code for I'm out of patience. For everyone watching,
February 21, 2025, did then either unlawfully, intentionally, and knowingly carry on or about the defendant's person a handgun in a motor vehicle under the control of the defendant, and the defendant was engaged in criminal activity other than a Class C misdemeanor that is a violation of law or ordinance regulating traffic, namely possession of marijuana. Okay? Mr. Mendoza, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now going to put an ankle monitor on you, and I'm going to give you a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. I'm now also sending you for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system, and I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. If I find that you're using anything as of today,
For cases since January, Tease judge is not holding back.
your fourth case since January of this year, I am not happy with you. Do you understand? Yes, sir. If I find that you have a weapon, if I find that you pick up a new case, if I find that you break curfew, it's really not going to go well for you. Do you understand? You're not to have contact with the co-defendant in this case as well. All right, so I'm going to send him for a test. He's to come back, and then we'll have the other bond conditions for him.
You betcha.
Depending on how the test comes back, we'll have a reset. So if it's positive or something, then what we'll do is we'll set him off for 40 to 50 days for him to get, clean out, and then we'll do another test, and we'll go from there. He will have a curfew. And the GPS monitor, he breaks the curfew, then, so we already know. I've already had to revoke your bond multiple times on your other cases. You know what happens.
9 p.m. to 6 a.m. means you're in the house by 9 p.m. and you do not leave the house until 6 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay, clear. Thank you, Judge. And would you like me to wait around for that reset and for that, or?
I guess,
Or you get with me?
we'll get you the date, and then just leave your cell phone.
Absolutely.
That way I can call you, and then we'll let you know, or we can have you Zoom on.
You bet, Judge. Thank you so much. Did you like him, Dad? Okay.
Mr. Leeper.
Good morning, Robert. How are you?
Hey,
Just wanted to, who I'm here on. Judge, this situation is easily distinguished from the first one. And the reason why I wanted to bring him in, I wanted the court to see his leg. It is completely chewed up underneath where this scram device is. He had a zero blow. That's not the issue.
but do we not have a positive?
No, there's no positive at all, Judge. Zero. It is.
Always the last name, right?
The RO, yes, sir. It's 250-6632.
Okay. So the BVR is, we have a confirmed tamper from 2/20/25, 2/37 for 2 days, we have a tamper.
Our vehicular crimes division wanted to object on this case, so if we could have a moment to reach out to them.
Yeah, Mr. Leeper, I guess you give me a second, see if we can get Mr. Silva here. Is she the one that's coming?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, do you mind?
No worries, Judge.